Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Greenview Villas in Crystal Lake, Illinois. And we're going to be raising concrete at about a half a dozen different locations here, fixing step height, pitch, and some even areas that are causing trip hazards. And we're going to be doing this today with our Smart Lift system, and a couple things with that is, one, our Smart Lift system gives you a price match guarantee, which promises you will never pay too much for quality concrete raising. And we also use a very high density foam that's about twice the density of residential foam, which most of our competitors use. And we just wanted to also let you know that anytime you need an estimate for concrete raising, Acme would be sending to your home or place of business a certified installer. And what that means is the person coming to your home to evaluate your concrete raises concrete regularly, knows how to do it well. So this is not a commissioned salesperson who, you know, sometimes when you have commissioned salespeople, they try to sell you things that maybe aren't completely in your best interest, but it's in their best interest for you to buy from them. We always try to get our customers to the solutions that best fit them, even if that means it's with another company that provides other services that Acme doesn't provide. So we pride ourselves on that integrity, and we hope that if you have any issues with concrete sinking, settling, tilting, that you give us a call. We would be very happy to give you a free evaluation. So let's check out some time-lapse videos of what we got going here today. We hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.